Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by Craftsuprint at www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Michelle Johnson. It's cup number 1036074_376. It's called Maggie Mini Kit. You get 3 sheets with lots of decoupage and it fits an 8x8" square card. Now I'd like to show you the sheets that you get and then we'll make the card. So the first sheet is the main base image for your card with lots of extra sentiments. I think this card is ideal for teenagers and young ladies. Probably any lady really, but especially teenagers and younger ladies. Your second sheet is decoupage to create Maggie and build up her image on top of the front of the card, and another layer for the front. And then we've got the insert and we've got a mini card as well. Now the mini card I think is great as a matching gift tag. If you can imagine making the card up and then folding the gift tag, wrapping the gift in lilac paper and using the gift tag, everything's going to coordinate and you're going to look like either such a cool mother, auntie or friend, because you know what, it all matches and coordinates and you're just going to look really hip. The base card I'm using is an 8x8" card and it's just a square white card. So for the insert, what I'm going to do is I've cut out the actual insert itself and I've got flat double-sided tape on the back of it. So I can peel the carrier sheet away from the tape and then I can add the insert into our card. Press it down, nice and flat. And then I've also got one of the sentiments and it just says with love. I've got flat tape on the back and I'm going to add it, I think, just not quite in the centre, but just kind of to the top of the middle. So we've got a nice amount of room to write a message and it's going to coordinate perfectly with the outside of our card. So for the outside, the main image I've cut out. I've got flat double-sided tape on the back. Again, if you use tape runner or white PVA, etc., whatever you're comfortable using. So this is a flat layer, so there's no 3D foam on it, and I'm just going to place it through the centre of our card and then press it down. So our next layer that we've cut out in the kit, I've cut it out and I've got it on 3D foam. So we simply marry up the design edge to edge of the design underneath to start building up that decoupage like so. Press it down. So now we're going to build Maggie up in the centre and we're going to create that 3D look with lots of layers that are included. So some of the layers look a bit odd because she's maybe missing half of a leg or you're just seeing her hair, but it adds to the effect. So for new crafters, don't be thinking the design's wrong. It's because you build up decoupage and you don't use everything layer after layer, so you miss a little bit out and that gives you the 3D look. So our first layer is Maggie nearly complete. She's just missing her arm there. So that's going to give us a look of 3D on the front. So we just build up the image. So even though it looked like she was missing her arm, you can see her arm from underneath. So it all ties in, so don't panic. Our next layer, Maggie's actually missing her leg. But because as we pair the image up, it builds up underneath and you can see how it creates the illusion. So there's lots of layers in the kit. I've just got 3D foam on the back of each one, and we're just going to keep building those layers. And we've got Maggie's face there and Maggie's hair. There we go. So it's quite a tall one for the decoupage. And then we've got a boot. And then to finish the card off, I've got Happy Birthday from the Sentiments, again on 3D foam. And I'm just going to pop it underneath at the base of the card. And that is our card finished. And you can see all those layers that create the illusion of she's just walking out of the front of the card. The insert matches perfectly, and it's such a beautiful design. As I say, suitable for so many different ages and different occasions, because you can change your sentiment to the one you want to use it for. I just want to remind you of the details. It's cup number 1036074_376 by Michelle Johnson. And you can check out any of Michelle's work by going to www.craftsuprint.com and looking for Michelle Johnson. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.